What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how I missed out on about $25,000 to $35,000 in the stock market. And honestly, the reason why you're going to find out, but it was a very common trader's mistake. It happens to everybody. Also, even so, I was able to make around 4.4K today. Had really good trades with Netflix and SPX with very minimal losses with AMD and what was the other one? AMD and Tesla, which should have been a 5-figure plus win. But yeah, let's take it to the charts real quick and let's go over this. So first, for our winners, so first we have Netflix. Right now I'm on a 30-minute chart. I did originally see this on the hourly chart, but honestly, no matter what time frame you were on, you were able to see the price action here, even the 5-minute if we scroll back, right? But I did take this on the hourly and ended up coming down to the 30-minute. But as you can see, we are in a rising wedge pattern. This is a bearish pattern, and as you can see, our price action starts off very wide within this range, and then we get tighter and tighter before we break out. And as you can see, we had a nice dump, and this is where I called this in the trading group, the Blueprint Trading Group. If you're looking to find a very solid trading group, check the link in the description below. But as you can see, we had a very nice move down. We had a price target of 396, which is this white line, 396.91, but I did take profit at the 200-day moving average just to secure profit and call it a day for Netflix. So really good play right there. Next we had SPX. So as you can see, SPX was in a similar pattern to our previous Netflix. As you can see, both rising wedges, and as you can see, we had a breakdown of this rising wedge. This was last week, so we didn't catch this, but this played into our actual play, where you can see a bear flag form right here. And if you don't know, a bear flag is a bearish continuation, meaning that when the stock price is going down already, it'll form that continuation pattern to go down lower. So as you can see, we went from a wedge and then broke down into a flag, and then we broke down again. And this SPX play was about a $15 drop right here, which was an excellent day trade opportunity for us. And this is one we did take. I made about $4,000 off this play myself. Now Netflix, this is where it gets painful for me because honestly, I just second guessed myself. This was a day where I got a little indecisive. Not a little, I really got indecisive. Even though I knew, I had my patterns, I had the play, I had the chart analysis, but I just, I was indecisive, didn't trust myself enough today, which is, it happens time to time. I'm not perfect. I'm still human. Sometimes it happens. And today was one of those days, and it cost me a lot. So as you can see, we were in a symmetrical triangle for Tesla. This is the 5-minute chart. And as we broke the symmetrical, I called puts for the chat, right? I called puts. And at this time, or the next candle after this break, we had a green candle. And in my head, I thought we were getting a bounce off this purple line, which is my 22 exponential moving average. And at the same time, SPY was really choppy. It was going up, it was going down. So I didn't know if we were going to bounce or not. But had I just trusted my analysis, knowing that a symmetrical triangle, a break to the downside is bearish, I should have held my puts, right? And I would have been able to take a move from 934, roughly, let's say at the bottom of this candle, let's just call it 934. All the way down into what would have been my target, which is 908. So from 934 to 908, I had a grand opportunity there that I didn't take because that I had but gave away because I just didn't trust myself, which is not good, right? But at the end of the day, I journal all this. Tesla missed opportunity, was indecisive, got shook out my own play. Won't happen again. I'm gonna trust my charts, understand my risk management, and I'm gonna make the money, right? The play was there, the money was there. I just didn't take the play, right? And as you can see, Tesla did have an end of day dump. We're ended the day at around 903 or 904, something around there. So next we have Facebook. This one's really gonna hurt just because this play was one that I saw before the market even opened. But like I said, there were variables that caused me to be indecisive. As you can see, we have a descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern. The first 5 minutes we broke that triangle, right? So if I'm playing my charts, I'm getting in puts here. But because it's the first 5 minutes, I don't know if we're going to get a bounce or I don't know which direction the market's going to go yet. So I'm not going to play this, which is okay. I understand that. That's okay. And I was looking at, and this was on live. We were live trading with the trading group. I was like, you know what, guys, Facebook is oversold on every time frame, daily, 4 hour, hourly, 30-minute, 15, 5. All of it's oversold. So I don't know how far down it's going to go. I know earnings wasn't that good, but yeah, as you can see, you know, had I trusted my charts, played my charts, I wouldn't have dismissed Facebook so quickly, and I would have been able to see that we had some real downside here. And as you can see, it broke at around 237, and it just went on a nice downtrend, right? Move down, break, move down, break, move down, right? And then it went into another descending triangle, which I saw as well, but I still didn't take for the same reasons. I was just second guessing myself too much today. And as you can see, I drew another descending triangle. We broke under our level, and I remember I told the trading group, look, we have another descending triangle coming. We have some support at 230, but you know, obviously it broke that, and then we went all the way down to, at its lowest, 224. So we had a break at around 236, 237, and we had to move all the way down to 224, right? And for me, the reason I say it should have been a 25k to 35k day, possibly even more, is because I know how I size, and I size pretty heavy in my plays because I always take my plays with confidence. And yeah, you guys can see where I missed that opportunity, but you know, like I said, put it in my journal, learn from it, move on. All this is only going to make me a better trader, right? Whether I took this play or not, I was not going to be the 7-figure trader that I want to be tomorrow, but the lessons that I'm learning, you know, or at least reminding myself, because I already knew this. I know you have to be confident and decisive, but I was reminded today, and that's only going to help me get better, right? So yeah, that's a big move that I missed with Facebook. And then lastly, we have SQ. So this is the 5-minute chart as well. So SQ, at right out the gate, first 20-25 minutes, I found a symmetrical triangle. We broke under that symmetrical, boom, we had a move from 107 to 103. That's a great move for square. We bounced right off the support, and then I found another triangle. It was really you can call it an ascending triangle, which I played to the downside, or could have played, but I didn't play. And as you can see, once it broke under around 105, 105.20, and then went all the way down to about 102. So those are two opportunities that I missed right there for square. Right. So in total, you know, I was able to nail Netflix on the wedge and the break and the move down, SPX on the bearish continuation pattern with the flag and the move down. But you know, got shook out this play. Didn't take this play being indecisive, and didn't take this play being indecisive, right? And it happens, you know. It doesn't happen often, but when it does, I make sure to take note of it, so I'm, you know, extra sharp going forward. And that's all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to share that with you guys because, you know, to let you guys know what happens to me, and to show you, you know, get you guys some price action to see, you know, what the trading group took, what we didn't take because of me and my indecisiveness. But you know, we live and we learn. Overall, you know, I'm still green. I'm continuing my green streak, and that's more important than anything. You always want to make sure you're consistent first, rather than just having really good days every now and then. So that's all I got for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.